Hey guys, so we got the infamous dumplings. Oh, hello.
I'm so excited.
Hold on, let me get it in frame.
Okay,
so first we are going to do an unboxing of some dumplings.
So this is a glitter one, and then this one is
Holographic,
a holographic. So there's
Okay.
two different kinds.
Okay, first one I'm gonna open.
You go first.
This is not glitter.
Well, the surprise is
No,
glitter.
the surprise one is glitter. Okay,
Oh.
Okay.
all right.
Huh?
Is this rare?
Yes.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, it feels so. Oh my god, it feels. Oh my.
Yes, you got the glitter one.
This is
Stop.
crazy.
Oh my god.
Let me squish it.
Stop
It feels so
right
weird.
now.
That is crazy.
It was so thick and sticky. Feel mine compared to that one.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Let's open
Wait,
mine. That actually
is so crazy.
That is a gem. Oh, I love that. Okay, well, I'm gonna open mine next. That cannot compete to what I'm about to
Oh my
open.
god. I screamed so loud. I screamed so loud.
Okay, ready? I'm gonna open mine.
Yeah.
This is crazy. That's actually crazy that you got it. I'm so happy for you.
Oh my
Okay.
God, thank you.
It's
Ew! Ew, don't pop it. Don't pop it.
Gerbert.
If it pops in,
If you leave your mom's in the hood.
Tutus? That's
Wait.
Gerber.
I know what that is.
Okay,
Wait,
open.
are you gonna do yours?
Oh yeah, I have
Or
one
do you
more.
want me to go again?
You
so
go
then
again.
can do it?
That is. I'm so happy for you. Genuinely,
you.
Joyce. Imagine you. Okay. Is Reese Lux crazy or what? She might get another one. Let's see.
I know, wait. Okay, so
Okay.
I'm gonna open the next one. This is so funny. That was...
Get ripped already, bitch.
Ooh. Ooh, I don't like how they're like wet. I like when there's like...
Maybe it's
It
just
might
the
be the ones that aren't glitter.
It's okay.
Okay, are you ready? The actual, my one and only surprise.
Oh, it's matching.
Wait, I
Oh
want
my
to go
God.
buy more.
You wanna go buy more?
I want to go buy more.
Back into my flow. You guys
Might
might.
be back. How much money do I have?
I might get another one too. No, I can't. I got
I'll be back.
4.
Savannah.
Wait, roll down the window. If I pay you on Friday, can you get me one more? She's getting me another one. Ooh, we have 2 more to open. Look how pretty it is.
Pretty pickle.
Pretty pickle.
It's
I
so.
can't believe
I'm
this.
so happy for you. Genuinely, like that's
Thank
actually
you, Maddie.
holy. That's
Okay,
crazy.
watch, they ran out. I want to open my other ones, but...
Here you go.
Okay,
Thank you.
perfect.
Ooh, I just got a power school grade for a D in anatomy because I failed my test today.
It's just
Oh, I got another
Yeah.
purple. Well, I didn't get a purple one.
Oh,
But, well, I got a purple one. You got a purple one.
this is nicer though.
We all have
I like
purple.
this
Is the
purple.
quality like all
We all
different?
have purple ones.
I know, but ours is different because hers is like thicker.
Alphaba.
Oh, that's not
Oh,
Glinda.
that's not
We need
Glinda.
pink.
Whatever. Okay, close your eyes first.
Oh, green.
Ew! Stop it.
Okay, ready?
We all have one more.
Yes.
Oh my god, wait, hold on.
Hold on, wait, give me a second here, girls. Okay, ready? Hold on, ready? Hold
I
on.
swear to God, if I get another one of green or purple,
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1.
Wait, these ones are so cute. Ew. These ones are so
This is a pretty
cute. Oh, you got a
color.
pretty color. Wait.
see, I don't want 2 greens.
Can we just
I'm going to buy another
appreciate?
one. I'm kidding.
Marsha's back in there. One more, please.
Okay,
No,
let's-
wait, which one? Where's your sparkle? Nothing beats.
my
First try, too.
first try.
Holy that's crazy.
I cannot. Insane. Okay, guys, so this is the end of our video. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, subscribe for more videos, and stay tuned for next week when I'm doing my room renovation and my Valentine's vlog. Okay, bye guys.